Welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. Delicious, and if you're on the fence about purchasing an air fryer, you're in the right place. Air fryers invented in 2005 by Fred van der Weege of the Netherlands. It took Mr. van der Weege 3 years to develop a prototype, and his egg-shaped fryer, produced by Philips, was introduced in 2010. The air fryer has since grown exponentially in popularity, peaking in 2020 when people were being forced to stay home, which led them to cooking more and purchasing more appliances. The question is, what can an air fryer offer you that other methods of cooking don't? What are the benefits of owning one? Is it worth the buy? Let's find out. Here's 6 reasons you need an air fryer in your life. Number 1, they're easy to clean. An air fryer helps you avoid the mess when preparing a meal. The looming chore of tidying up for 40 minutes after you eat almost makes the food taste less savory. For more tips and tricks on how to clean your air fryer, I'll post a link for our related video in the description below. Be sure to check that out. Number 2, the air fryer is energy efficient. Save household energy instead of turning your home into an inferno. Unlike your oven, which creates copious amounts of heat, an air fryer is an efficient way to prepare your meals. Generally, an air fryer is cheaper to use than an oven because it uses far less energy to operate and takes less time to cook food. That means lower utility bills if you opt to use an air fryer on a regular basis instead of an oven. This is especially handy during summer heat waves when the last thing you want to do is generate more heat inside your home. Number 3, an air fryer reduces oil consumption. This means removing unnecessary fat and calories from your food. Compared to other methods of cooking that involve oil, an air fryer offers a way to crisp fry your food instead of deep frying. Number 4, portability. An air fryer doesn't take up much space. This is especially useful if you're a student or someone who moves around a lot. If you're off at college, consider purchasing a mini fridge alongside your air fryer and never leave your room to encounter that kitchen awkwardness that accompanies communal living with 4 other deadbeats.
Are you done with the oven, man?
An air fryer will most certainly be the best roommate you've ever had.
Good morning.
Number 5, an air fryer is safe to use. Unlike a microwave, there's no radiation, and whereas deep frying foods involves heating a large container of scalding oil, with an air fryer, there's no risk of spilling, splashing, or accidentally touching hot oil. And unlike an oven, an air fryer shuts off automatically once the timer's done. There's no need to remember to turn it off.
Oops.
Lastly, number 6, the air fryer saves time. Time spent cooking, time spent cleaning. After a long day, it can be hard scraping up that last bit of energy to cook your dinner. Something I especially love about the air fryer is all the new, easy, quick recipes there are for you to explore. As a mother or someone who's trying to find a new, efficient, and innovative way to prepare your meals for your family, an air fryer is a great investment. Air fryers are generally faster at cooking than ovens. Check the description below. I'm going to drop a link for a blog post that includes a really handy chart with guidelines for air fryer cooking times. This will give you an idea of the time you're going to save when preparing meals using this appliance. Air fryers also have the advantage of preheating much faster. Whereas ovens can take 10 to 15 minutes, an air fryer takes 1 to 3 minutes. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know in the comments what air fryer you have or which one you're looking to buy. See you next time.